What's going on, guys? We're going to be replacing a power steering pump and belts in a 2005 Acura TL. Let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to recommend is definitely a 14, and then I recommend doing a 1/2 inch ratchet. I recommend lifting the power steering pump off of its shelf and then tucking it away in this corner to get some more room in there for you. Basically, you're gonna lock it on just like this. It's gonna look like just like this when you're about to put it on. Yep, push forward to release tension and then grab the belt off. That belt should have came off pretty easily. You can grab a 10mm and you're gonna take off these 2 bolts. Set of pliers. We're gonna remove this line. Go ahead, grab it up, pull it, and I twist. Next, you're gonna take a 12, go right in there. You see right here. See right there what I'm pointing at. That's gonna be the next one to take off. Then with your 12 ratchet, you can go right in behind here. Take this other screw or take this other bolt out. All right, so brand new ones right here. A lot more cleaner. Old one. Yeah, this thing was shot. All right, you gotta get those 2 bolts back in there for you. On that lower side, right here, and on that back side, right here. All right, most kits come with a new O-ring for your feed line. You wanna go ahead and replace those out if you did come with one. Reattach your line and go ahead and put your tins back in. You always wanna measure your belts to make sure this is the new one, this is the old one. Old ones wasn't that bad, but nah, let's go ahead and get it done. Let's go ahead and get it done. All that air. I'm gonna let that run for a little bit. Let the system catch up with itself. Let it do its thing real quick. Try to clean that right back up, but it's part of it, so.